Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem related to HRA. Mr. X works in a company and is getting a basic pay of 8,000 per month. So his basic pay is 8,000 per month. DNS allowance is 20% of the basic pay. So 20% of the basic pay is DNS allowance. Commission is at 5% of basic pay. So we should not consider this commission because while computing the salary for house rent allowance, we will take commission based on the turnover, but not the commission based on basic pay. Commission should be based on turnover. HRA at 12% of basic pay. So house rent allowance is 12% of basic pay and bonus equal 2 months of basic pay. So bonus is 2 months of basic pay, but anyway we will not consider any bonus. Bonus also should be ignored. Bonus no kuda now consider madala, ignore that. She is residing in a rented house and it is 1,800 per month. Okay. Determine taxable HRA, taxable house rent allowances. So this is a table, 3 columns you have to take. First you have to take taxable HRA. First is actual HRA received. They have not given actual HRA. We have to find out. So calculation of HRA. They have told that HRA is 12% of the basic pay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, HRA at 12% of basic pay. So what is basic pay? Basic pay is 8,000 per month. Basic pay is 8,000 per month into we have 12 months. So whatever the value we get, out of that 12% is your HRA. So which is nothing but 11,520 is your HRA. So actual HRA received is 11,520. Next, least of the following will be exempted. So least of the following will be exempted. So we have the first exemption, that is actual HRA received 11,520 we have found out. Next, second exemption is excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. So rent paid. So what is the rent paid? 1,800 per month. So rent paid is 1,800 per month. So 1,800 per month into 12 months. We have to do 12 months. It will be 21,600. So the total rent paid is 21,600. So I'll write that 21,600 here minus 10% of salary. So now I need to calculate salary. So for the purpose of salary, I will consider basic pay plus DNS allowance entering into retirement benefit plus DNS pay plus commission based on turnover. So only basic pay we have 8,000 per month into 12 months. So total in a year there will be 12 months. So 8,000 per month into 12,000 will 12 months will be 96,000. So the total salary will be 96,000. We want 10% of the salary. We want 10% of the salary. The 10% of the salary will be 9,600. So I will subtract it by 9,600. 21,600 minus 9,600 will be 12,000. So 12,000 is a second exemption. Third exemption, they have not mentioned which locality, which place he is staying in a rented house. When they have not mentioned anything, we will consider 40% of the salary only. So the total salary is 96,000. In that 40% is 38,400. That is our third exemption. So whichever is lesser. So 11,520 is the least amount. That will be given as exemption. Total you have received 11,520 as HRA. In that 11,520 complete exemption you are getting. So the taxable HRA will be 0 or nil. This is how we need to calculate the HRA problems. Hope you have understood the HRA, how to calculate the taxable HRA. If you have any doubts in the whatever the 5 problems I have solved till now, please ask all your doubts in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts as soon as possible. From my next video, I'll start with a new component, that is leave encashment or leave salary. So see you in the next video.